that's why we don't like you. Sa totoo lang, kaya ikaw ang gusto naming ma-impeach, hindi si Inday Sara. Tamad ka eh! And with this one, pinatunayan mo talaga na tatamad-tamad ka. This is a very simple, it's very easy to spot. Eh, bakit ganito yung speech ko? Eh, di ba nung 2022, yung public aura ko is, I do not want to do negative campaigning. 2022 is not so far away. And all you need to do, BBM, is to tell your guy, can you please change my speech? And you didn't do. Kaya kayo namumurang mga putang ina ninyo eh. Ang lapit lang nung 2022, magkakakilala tayo ng 2022 dahil pinapanood ka na namin noon. Binoto ka nga namin noon eh. Dami mong nabudol eh. Pagkatapos ganyan ka. Ngayon, kung pinakita mo yan nung 2022, malamang di ka naboto. Kung ganyan ka pala ka-asshole, ganyan ka kamata pobre, at ganyan ka kakupal, di ka nakatikim ng boto sa amin. Ayun, sabi ni Veda, it just shows that he does not care at all. Focus siya sa end goal, which is to unfreeze their assets. Correct.